When starting out at the gym, it's easy to make mistakes that can derail your progress or even lead to injury. I've been there, and I want to share the top 5 beginner mistakes to avoid so you can hit your fitness goals without the headaches. First up, skipping the warm-up. I know it can feel like a waste of time, especially when you're eager to jump into your workout. But warming up is crucial. It increases blood flow to your muscles, improves flexibility, and prepares your body for the demands of exercise. A simple 5 to 10 minute warm-up can make a world of difference. Think dynamic stretches or light cardio to get your heart rate up. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Next, let's talk about form. It's tempting to lift heavier weights to impress others or to feel like you're making progress, but poor form can lead to injuries. Focus on mastering the basics first. Whether it's squats, deadlifts, or bench presses, prioritize technique over weight. Use mirrors or ask for help from trainers to ensure you're doing the movements correctly. Remember, it's not about how much you lift, it's about how well you lift it. The third mistake is neglecting recovery. Many beginners think that more is better, but your muscles need time to repair and grow. Overtraining can lead to burnout and injuries. Make sure to incorporate rest days into your routine. Listen to your body. If you're feeling sore or fatigued, it's okay to take a step back. Recovery is just as important as the workouts themselves. Fourth, let's discuss nutrition. It's easy to overlook what you're putting into your body when you're focused on your workouts. Fueling your body with the right nutrients can enhance your performance and recovery. Don't fall into the trap of thinking you can out-exercise a bad diet. Aim for a balanced intake of proteins, carbs, and healthy fats. And don't forget to hydrate. Water is essential for optimal performance and recovery. Finally, the fifth mistake is setting unrealistic expectations. It's great to be ambitious, but expecting to see drastic changes overnight can lead to disappointment. Progress takes time, and everyone's journey is different. Set small, achievable goals along the way to keep yourself motivated. Celebrate those wins, no matter how small. Remember, fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. Avoiding these 5 common mistakes can set you on the right path to achieving your fitness goals. Focus on warming up, maintaining good form, prioritizing recovery, eating well, and setting realistic expectations. With patience and persistence, you'll find yourself making progress and enjoying the journey.